Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome February 2022. So I really like the month of February. It is my mama's birthday month. It's also the month of Valentine's Day, so anytime I can decorate with hearts, that makes me super happy. And speaking of making my heart happy, it's also going to be the month that my husband and I celebrate 25 years together. So not 25 years of marriage because we were together for 5 years before we got married, but we will be celebrating our first date 25 years ago in just a little over a week. So the only thing I really don't like about February is the weather. I mean, Christmas is over, and so all the pretty lights are gone, and the weather's usually just kind of cold and gloomy, dreary, I guess I would say. But tonight we're supposed to be getting a snowstorm, and I think they're saying anywhere between 6 and 10 or 6 and 12, I can't remember. Anyway, lots and lots of snow, and so I like it when it's like that because the snow I do think is really pretty, and when we get that much, we are snowed in. So it is a perfect time to bake and to do some crafts. And so later on this week, I'm going to show you guys how to make your own pop-up Valentines. We're also going to be making a really easy candy bouquet. Nothing like the hard bouquet I showed you guys how to make last year for Mother's Day. And if you didn't get a chance to see that, I'll post it at the end of this video if you want to check that out. But we have a couple other things to do first, and that is we have another reason to celebrate this month, and that's because last month, in the month of January, we reached 10,000 subscribers. And I told y'all two things were going to happen when we hit that milestone. And the first one is we're going to be doing a giveaway, and I'm going to give you all the details tomorrow. I'll announce all of that. But today, the other thing I said we were going to do is we were going to donate some livestock. And so I chose sheep because there's some pretty cool animals, and I just think, like, with their wool and it being a cold time of year, or at least here, that it was like the perfect gift. So again, sheep are really cool because they can adapt and they can graze like the hilliest and the rockiest of pastures, unlike other animals. So they really can live just about anywhere in the world. But most importantly, they are able to provide milk, and they're also able to provide wool, so that means clothing. It also means extra income because they can sell the extra wool that they have. And because sheep, as far as I know, I think they breed pretty quickly, so they're able to pass that gift on to other families that are in need. So as you can see, the gift of a sheep really can provide some valuable resources to families and children that are living in some really harsh environments. So thank you to everyone who subscribed because you all made this happen. And so our next big milestone is going to be 25,000 subscribers, and we're going to be doing the gift of a water buffalo, which I didn't know much about, but I started reading and I thought they were pretty cool. So water buffalo are depended upon more than any other animal in parts of the world like Southern Asia and South America. And what they do is not only provide milk, but they are able to sow seeds. So the farmers are able to use the water buffalo instead of doing it by hand, which means they can sow 4 times as much, which means they can yield 4 times as much. So it's really, really cool. I'm excited for this one. Again, this is going to happen at 25,000 subscribers. So make sure to share and keep watching the videos. And I thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart for making this happen. And tomorrow, stay tuned because tomorrow I'm going to be giving you all the details for the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. Bye, guys.